How to tag everyone on WhatsApp group. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp application on your device. Navigate to the group where you want to tag everyone. Now on the message section, tap on it and you have to type in @sign. And then you will see the list of members from this group. What you can do is you can simply tap on particular users and again you need to tap on @sign, and in this way you can easily tag everyone on this WhatsApp group. So you need to note that WhatsApp doesn't have a feature to tag everyone at once, but you can do this individually. So once you have tagged all members, you can easily type in message and hit the send button. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.